Hi, hello, hello. Would you like some coffee? Come here, there is a coffee for you, come on. It's with rice milk, I hope you like it. All right, are you ready for our lesson? Good. Okay, now I can teach. All right. Do you know what mind means? Mind, M-I-N-D, mind. Okay, yes, this is what you have here, your mind. Okay, all right. What you think, your mind, it's a noun. Or is it? So today I'm going to teach you that mind is also a verb. Yes, mind is also a verb. And we use it a lot in many ways. Yes, we do. Some of the uses of mind are pretty advanced. So don't worry if you haven't heard them. If you have, well, today we'll explain what to do with them. All right? Okay. So the first example comes from the London Metro, the tube. If you ever travelled around London using the tube, you've heard mind the gap, mind the gap. A very typical thing to say is also mind the step or mind your step, right? What does it mean? Mind your step, okay? Mind the gap. It means take care of it, pay attention to something, all right? The same way, I can say, can you or could you mind my bag for a moment because I need to go and get something. Can you mind my bag? All right. So this is my favorite, come here. This is my favorite red jacket. Can you mind it for a second? I need to go and get more coffee. Could you mind it for a second? Oh, come on, take it. All right. Okay. So to mind something is to take care of it or to pay attention to it. All right? Okay. Hey, it's not remember. It's just pay attention, or take care of something. Good. All right. And in this case, it's usually followed by a noun. So, mind your step, mind the gap, mind my bag, meaning take care of my bag for a moment. Okay. The next one is super common. Have a look. You? She doesn't mind waiting, or I don't mind. And that means it's not a problem. Maybe I should have left it a little bit longer here. She doesn't mind waiting. She doesn't mind waiting. I don't mind. Suzanne, do you want coffee with rice milk or with soy milk? I don't mind. It's not a problem. I don't mind. It doesn't matter. So there are two very similar expressions. It doesn't matter and I don't mind. But we cannot say it doesn't mind, okay? I don't mind, she doesn't mind, he doesn't mind, not it, okay? It doesn't matter. Oh, the bells. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I don't mind. Okay. And I would like you guys to pay attention to what follows the verb mind here. Look, what is it? It's a gerund. It's a gerund. Yes, it is. I don't mind waiting. I don't mind teaching. I don't mind repeating. Okay? Not to repeat. It's a mistake. It's a big one. Don't say it. So, mind cannot be followed by full infinitive. All right? So you would say, Suzanne, would you mind repeating this last sentence? I'd say, I don't mind. I don't mind. Here it is. She doesn't mind waiting. Ta-ta! Repeat it. Is this what you wanted? Of course. Okay, good. So, I don't mind. She doesn't mind. Okay. Can you speak about the future using this? Yes, you can. It's super handy. But you need to remember that after I don't mind, we are going to use present form of the verb, not the future, even if we're talking about something that's still to happen. Okay, so I'm going to say, I don't mind what day you come in the future. I don't mind what day you come, not you will come. Okay, I don't mind what day you send me your CV. I'm waiting for your CVs. That's to my students from Il Sole 24 Ore. Hi guys! Hi! Okay, I don't mind what day we arrive. I'm still going to have a brilliant time. I'm going to Cambridge this week to see my sister and my brother. Yay! Maybe I'll record a lesson for you from there. Who knows? Okay, so I don't mind what day I see my sister. Not I will, okay? No. After I don't mind, present form of a verb, even if we're talking about the future. Okay, we're almost there. Very common request is to say, would you mind? And this is as if you wanted to say, is it a problem if? Okay, and there are three possible things that we can put after this. First of all, you can also say, do you mind? But would you mind is nicer, okay? I teach would you mind when I want to teach my students how to very politely request something. It's the most polite way of asking somebody to do something, all right? So it's really nice. For business, it's a very good expression, okay? So if you want somebody to do something for you and you want to be very polite, then this is the one. All right, okay. So we have would you mind, and the most sort of natural for us now that we know that would you mind would be as mind followed by a gerund is to say, would you mind opening the window, please? Would you mind calling Marianna, please? Would you mind following me, please? Okay, not follow, not to follow, following. You get it? Would you mind following? Would you mind closing? Would you mind speaking a little louder, Suzanne? Okay, I will speak. Sorry, no shouting. I will speak louder. No, I won't. Okay. Okay, and there are two options afterwards with if. Okay, so you can say, would you mind opening? Or you can say, would you mind if I open? Okay. Or would you mind if I opened? If I opened. Why past? Aha! Have you seen the videos about the second conditional? Have you? Okay, so the videos about the second conditional explain that even if we're using the past form of a verb, we don't really want to say anything related to the past. Okay? It's a subjunctive mode. It means that we're creating a form of a verb that in Spanish and in Italian has its own particular form, okay? It's taken from Latin. We don't have another form in English. So for the subjunctive mode in present, we use the present form of a verb, and for the past, we use the past, but we don't want to say in the past, okay? Have a look. Would you mind if I sit here? Okay, present. Or if I sat here, okay? A bit more polite, a bit more hypothetical. There you go, hypothetical. Would you mind if I turned on this light here? Or would you mind if I turn on? Okay, so would you mind, three options. Would you mind opening? Okay, and this means that you will do it, not me. Would you mind opening? Would you mind following? Means you follow me. You open the window, okay, but in a very polite way. Would you mind if I means Is it a problem for you if I do something? Okay. Would you mind if I open or opened the window? Okay. Both are fine. One is more sort of located now. The other one is more hypothetical. Okay. But it's absolutely fine. All right. Last but not least, the expression, oh, I got an email. The expression, never mind. Never mind. Okay, so I tell you a joke, you didn't get it, and I say, never mind, it wasn't funny anyway. Many of my jokes aren't. I'm not very good at telling jokes. Okay, so never mind, don't worry about it. It's okay, it doesn't matter. Never mind. Okay, and last but not least, mind you, and it's mind you means take something into consideration, bear in mind, okay? So I'm telling you a story about my friend who went with me to Canada, and she had a very, very difficult time. Mind you, it was winter, so it's sort of comprehensible, okay? Mind you, it was winter. It's just like, consider that, okay? Bear in mind that, mind you. Okay, it's usually separated by a comma, and you can have it here. Okay, mind you, it was winter when we went there. Okay, and never mind. This is it. Okay, this is I guess the full list of uses of the verb mind. Some of them are a bit more advanced, other less. So I hardly recommend watching this video again because it's pretty packed, okay? There's a good list, considerable list of things. Would you mind repeating, Suzanne? No, I wouldn't. It's absolutely fine. This is an additional tip here. What do you say when somebody says, would you mind opening the window? Do you say yes? If you say yes, it means it is a problem, I'm not going to do it. You say, no, it's fine. Or I'm okay. Or absolutely. Or of course. Would you mind repeating? Not at all. Not at all. Okay. It means, no, I'm fine. I can repeat. I don't mind what day you send me an email. I will always answer. I will always answer. Mind the gap. Mind your step. And she doesn't mind waiting, okay? Plenty of different things to use, plenty of new meanings that we can create with the word mind. I really want you guys to watch the video at least twice and subscribe to the channel because there are new videos coming and they will be shared in the channel only. Please subscribe. Please subscribe now. Have you subscribed? And now? Subscribe! Okay, all right. I'm going to stop now. Suzanne, would you mind closing this video now? Okay, Suzanne, I'm going to. All right. Okay, that's not funny. Bye, you guys. Have a great day. And we will talk again very, very soon. Bye for now. Bye.